Toyota of Bellevue offers services and tools that make us more than a typical dealership in Bellevue. All of our salespeople are complete experts on everything Toyota.
It's a 2016 Toyota Prius V. This is the perfect example of the beautiful harmony between nature and machine. Take the path of least consumption and fewest emissions and still have plenty of room for the family and everything they bring with. When you're behind the wheel, you'll find its inviting space and list of features very pleasing, including Bluetooth, climate control, a backup camera, and the Star safety system. This Prius V offers 3 different modes to choose from, so you can always have the perfect drive.
Set it and forget it with the climate control. Never feel lost again with the navigation system. See objects previously out of sight with the rear view camera.
Embrace a greener, smarter way to drive. Take this Prius V for a test drive.